What's up guys? In this video guys, I'm going to be telling you guys 5 different apps that will pay you passively or earned, right? They will pay you passively and some will pay you earned, right? So make sure you stick to the very end of this video because I'll be showing you guys 5 different apps. I'm so excited guys. This apps works and I'll show you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Welcome back guys. The first app I'll be telling you guys is Google Opinion Rewards. That's the first ad. So just go to your Google and type Google Opinion Rewards. You'll see a link to the app, right? This app works on iPhone and Android, right? So this is it right here. Let me quickly open up and tell you guys what this app is all about. So I'll leave the link of these apps on my description box below, so don't worry, you can easily check it out from my description box. I'll leave the link below. So this is Google Opinion Rewards. This app, basically what they do is they pay you for taking surveys, simple surveys like hotels, like what's your favorite hotel in your area, all those kind of surveys, what TV shows do you like, stuff like that. So simple surveys that you can easily complete while sitting back and relaxing. They pay you for just doing that, right? They can pay you up to 10 cents to $1 for one survey, depending on maybe your location and where you are. They pay you up to 10 cents to $1. I keep encouraging you guys to keep using VPN, change it to United States because they tend to pay United States people more due to their information is valuable, or maybe their feedback is more valuable. Don't ask me why, that's the way the world is, right? So this is Google Opinion Rewards. They just pay you for taking simple surveys that you can easily fulfill, right? And one cool thing is that Google Opinion Rewards is owned by Google. How awesome is that? And you know how powerful Google is. It's the biggest search engine out there. So imagine Google is paying you from that. They pay very good, right? So 10 cents to $1 per survey, depending on maybe your location, on whatever criteria they are using. So it's a very good way to start earning money by simple survey. It's not complicated. It's Google. It's not any other site. All these sites that before you complete their surveys, man, you gotta do like this, right? I'm just kidding right there. So that's just the basic thing about Google Opinion Rewards. So I encourage you guys to jump on this. So the second app I'm telling you guys is passive income, right? I know you guys are excited. You guys love passive income. You won't do anything, right? So this app is called Sweatcoin. So this app, let me quickly load it up. Just go to your Google, and like I said, I'll leave a link on the description box below just in case. So this app is basically pay you for your fitness, to just be fit, right? They will just pay you for fitness, the fitness app. So just install this app on your phone, whether Android or your iOS, depending on the one you're using. It works on both, and they pay you. As you can see, it pays to work, right? So this app actually records maybe your movement. You know, due to technology, they can record maybe if you raise your hand and all that. So they record your movement, and each walk you take, it records it on their phone, on your phone. That's the phone app. It records it on this Sweatcoin. And once you get up to like 1,000 steps, they'll pay you, right? They pay you up to 95 cents, right? 95 cents is almost $1 for 1,000 steps. So keep stepping, right? For those of you guys that do exercise, this is a very good stuff for you guys, you understand? So you can easily do exercise and get paid out there just by doing what you want to do. Like it's a win-win. You are gaining muscles and whatever the fitness goal is, and you are getting paid at the same time. How awesome is that? A lot of these apps are coming out because they want to encourage people, especially in this pandemic. You know, the pandemic, YouTube doesn't want us to call the pandemic name. They mark it as a red flag, right? So I can't say it on this channel, but you know the pandemic. So a lot of these apps have been coming out to help people out there. So that's what this channel is basically all about. Dedicated to tell you guys how to make money online on 2020, to help you guys on your financial goals. I know things are hard. A lot of people lost their source of income, and it's not a funny story, right? I know all that, right? So I'm here to bridge that gap and help you guys. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you miss out on any important update I drop. I drop videos 2 times every single week, and I encourage you to subscribe right now. Just hit it right now. What are you waiting for, right? For those of you who don't know me, I'm Chido original. So you know that. Remember that name. So moving on, this is the second app I'm telling you guys. Just by working and making exercise, you get paid, right? By your body movement, right? That's basically how you get paid. So that's, and this app they pay you by cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin. They don't pay in PayPal, they pay in cryptocurrency. And if you are observant, one good thing, I don't know, as of the time I'm recording this is 1st of August, right, 2020. So Bitcoin is on the rise. If you check it right now, if you check the value of Bitcoin, you see it's on the rise. So it's a cool way to be earning money on Bitcoin right now. So it's an advantage, a strategy to use right now. So for those of you guys, just quickly take advantage of this, and it works both on Android and iOS, like I said. So that being said, you know the rest now. It's up to you. So that's the second app I'm telling you guys, and the third app I'll be showing you guys is called Ibota. I hope I pronounced that right too. It's called Ibota. This Ibota app, let me quickly open it up. The link will be on my description box, so don't bother, right? Okay, so this Ibota is basically giving your cash back for anything you buy online. I think by this time of the day my network is kind of slow, right? So they just pay you by buying things online. Let's say you buy something from Amazon, you buy like something like $100 worth of something from Amazon. They will pay you 10% of that, only if you make payments using their app. So it's like a payment app. So once you want to pay something you bought from an e-commerce online shop and you pay using their app, they'll give you back 10% of the money that you paid, right? How awesome is that? So for those of you guys out there, like ladies, and you guys love shopping and all that, yada yada, I'm just kidding, right? You guys love shopping, so this is a good way to make an extra income. It's more like a discount giving you back. So is this like a new app, but they want to be known out there? That's why they are doing this, to be known like the main payments platform. So it's a very cool app. As you can see, it's loaded up. You've got your cash back. As you can see, that's your cash back, and you earn up to $20 just by signing up. I hope you guys saw that. You earn up to $20 just by signing up. So I encourage you guys to go through all this, right? If you go to their website like this, you will see a lot of information. Go through all this and read. Use payments with Ibota, earn cash back at more places instantly. So you get percentage of your cash, right? See their interface, it's very cool. See your card, it's more like a payment listening. They pay you back 10%, it's very awesome. I encourage you guys, like I was saying, to go through all this information, read them. I don't want to go through all this on this video because it's making it very long, and I don't want you guys to complain about data and all that. I understand, right? So go through all this and take your time. All this info, if they have affiliates, if someone signs through your link, you get paid, right? So all these are information. So once you make payment on an e-commerce website using their app, you get 10% back. How awesome is that? So that's it for the third app. And if you have any question or any comments so far, just leave it on the comment section. Like you know me always, I always respond to all my comments. I don't miss any of them. That's because I value you guys a lot. I value you guys, and I hope you guys value me too as well, right? So let's make our financial goal possible this 2020, right? Not then you can stop us. So the fourth app I'll be telling you guys is called Fuel. Just kidding, it's more like soap. So it's fuel.com. It's an app actually. You can download it from Android and iOS. All the apps I'm showing you guys in this video is available both on iPhone and Android. So there's no excuse whatsoever. So basically this Fuel website will help you. In fact, it will pay you, right? Rather for using your phone. So this Fuel, what they do is like you take pictures like a pretty lady, even if you are not that gorgeous or whatever the society have made you to believe, because on my own opinion I believe everyone is beautiful and awesome, right? That's how they work with it, right? But whatever the society has put into your mind, you have to take good pictures, right? You take good photos and you see that they're okay and you want to sell it online. This is where to go. This field is where you have to go to sell it online, right? They pay you just by using your photo. Like big brands, they might use your photo to run ad. Maybe you have a smooth skin and all that. Companies like Nivea or this cream company might want to use your phone, your picture, right? Or video. They also collect videos and photos. They collect your photos and videos to run an ad or to make a post on their social media handle. They pay you, maybe they like your pictures. You can see that works with big brands like Nivea, and see anything right here. They have a whole lot, even Volvo, right? So just upload your cool pictures. Let me put out cool pictures and cool videos out here. Maybe when you and your guys are stepping out with HD quality, of course, on a bar, you just take a 360 view. They might use something like that for an hour, depending on how awesome it is. You know, all these big brands, and they will pay you bucks for that. So they're basically paying you for your pictures and videos, right? How awesome is that? I know you have a lot of cool pictures on your phone, ladies as well as guys. I have some guys that like to click and swap pictures and all. If you're into that, cool, awesome. I have no issues with that. Me myself, I take awesome pictures. So you can just sell those awesome pictures right here. Just upload it, and whenever an advertiser maybe wants to use your picture, you pay this company, and this company few pays you back, right? They collect the commission, but they pay you most of the payments, right? So just upload all your awesome pictures, 100, 1000, whatever the number is. Just upload it on this website, and this website is going to pay you from time to time, depending on when someone wants to buy your photo. So this field is actually good. Like I say, go through all this information and understand very well. So that's the fourth app I'm telling you guys. If you just upload it online and get paid, right? So I encourage you guys to use some of the affiliate links on my description box below. There's some affiliate links that I have there that you can use to make purchases online, and I get a commission back. That's the honest truth. I will encourage you guys to use that. So that being said, moving on to the fifth and final app that you can use to start making money online on 2020, right? For those of you guys out there, so all this works, right? I will not be giving you guys things that don't work. I get a lot of feedback from you guys telling me that some of the apps are not working for them. I think these buttons aren't to hard working or willing. Your will is everything. If you really want to make it happen, it will happen. You have to do some effort, right? It's not something like, except to say passive income. It's not, most of them are not something you just sit back and relax. You have to do a little bit of effort. Most of you guys spend time on social media, Instagram for example, and spend a lot of time out there. At the end of the day, they are not paying you, waste your data. But this app are willing to pay you guys, even at the comfort of your own home. Come on guys, come do that, man. I'm just trying to motivate, right? That's what I do. I teach and I motivate people. So the fifth app is called Slide Joy. This is Slide Joy, no screen app. So basically this app, what they do is like, they pay you by showing you ads on your phone. I know a lot of you guys been getting all these annoying ads. Maybe open an app that is on your phone, you get a lot of annoying apps. Like every time you want to change a song, an ad rather will pop up, right? It's very annoying. I understand. All of us are human, so we understand all these things, right? So those kind of ads are annoying. But this app, Slide Joy app, they basically pay you by showing you ads. So all these ads that they'll be showing you that is annoying you, they are willing to pay you for that to drive off the annoyance from your face, right? So they can make you happy at the same time. So it's a very cool way. If you don't mind seeing ads on your phone, even when your phone is locked, ads can pop up and they pay you as well. They don't even care if you actually saw it or not. You might be sleeping, ad will just be coming and you are paid each time ad comes on your phone. So it's very awesome, right? So if you don't mind having ads pop up on your screen and all that, it doesn't matter, just leave it out there, get paid, right? So it doesn't matter. Actually, ads have been popping out on your screen and you are not getting paid. But this company is trying to bridge the gap. And actually, you can get benefits from seeing apps on your ads, rather. I keep saying apps. But you can get information by seeing ads on your phone, like maybe a new restaurant opened in your neighborhood that you haven't checked out, that you have been waiting. Maybe they sell something, maybe pizza for instance, that you love or something that you have been, and you don't know, and this kind of ad can pop up on your screen and just give you information. Like I keep saying, information is power in 2020. Information is power. If you are not informed, you are informed. So that's the way it is. So just by showing you ads on your phone, we pay you guys even when your phone is locked. How awesome is that? So this is a very cool app. I will encourage you guys to take all these apps one by one and read through what their information is. And that being said, there's a playlist that will pop up on the screen right now. Click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can. And guys, I will see you on my next video.